Alright guys, so I picked up another lag shelf from the as is section over at IKEA. Something just dropped in my spirit today and told me to go to IKEA. And when I got there, I saw two amazing items in the clearance section. A bunch of other stuff that I couldn't even think about getting because I don't have the space for it. But I needed another lag shelf because I'm noticing a lot of stuff is always on the floor in this room, but that's because it doesn't have a home. So I found another lag shelf for $34, and then I found this metal shelf that is so bomb, and oh, it was only $7. So let me show you what I'm talking about. This is my other lac shelf. I had one like this in this room, but then I ended up putting it in the bathroom. So when I seen this, I was like, yes, because this bookshelf right here is packed to the max. Nothing else really can fit on there. So I'm thinking about putting all of my stationery stuff over here. This will be like my little planning shelf. And then this is the wire. Excuse my room, y'all. It's off the chain, as always. Well, I think we're getting close enough for me to show y'all how it really looks on a regular. Oops. Okay, so this is the shelf that I was talking about. So it's regular price, $13. Got it for 46% off. So it's $7. It has the little holes back here. And I love asymmetrical looking stuff. So it's just gonna look really cute on the wall. And I'm trying to debate if I should put it over here, like up there, or should I put it over above the TV? So, yep, as is section, $34.90. I think I paid $29, $20 something dollars for the other one, but I'm willing to pay that much for this. This is a good shelf. See, it's it has a scratch and a dent, but you already know I have the paint from IKEA, and I don't mind patching anything up. That little piece right there will be covered because I'm going to put it over here. So I already got the first one down. So this will be some more storage. Got to use all of this space, guys. Use all your space. That's the secret to living in a small place. Got to use your vertical space. And I'm sorry that I'm filming on my phone. My G7X ended up dying on me, so I took it to the Geek Squad people, and then they told me that it takes 2.5 weeks for them to send it out, get it fixed, and send it back. So I feel some kind of way about that, but it's nothing I can do. So I'm going to be back on my iPhone and using my Canon T6i. I'm going to sell that camera because I really don't like it. The autofocusing on it is terrible. And yeah, so I like filming on my phone better. So yeah, let there be light. So I'm going to put this together, and I'm going to show you guys what the area looks like after I'm finished. Sorry, you know I got this Amazon light. It goes off, but I love this light, guys. So yeah, I'm finishing up some stuff, and I got my lights to go in my pack system, which I think I kind of want to, I think I'm going to install those lights too. But one thing at a time. So yeah, I'm gonna put this shelf together and organize it, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm just doing this so that light don't go off. All right, guys. Oh, and excuse my friend right here, okay? I don't want to throw her away, but she looking like she gotta go. You know, I've been rocking this new hair. Looks more like myself. All right, let's go. is pretty much my new setup for right now. And as you can see, I have condensed all of my stationery over to this side, where my bookshelf is, because I found a new shelf from IKEA, one of the lac shelves. I have two now, but I love these shelves because they just effortlessly display things. So as you can see, I am trying something new. I have my black bags at the top, and then I have all my stationery, my microphone. I did decide to keep a few shoes over here because I still need to, but like all of my stationery stuff is over here. My stickers for my planner, some lights are in there, and some camera equipment is down there, and just a few more shoes. So yeah, I just want to show you how I am updating my little wardrobe room. I'm always doing something to this room, but I think it makes much more sense simply because I'm able to categorize where I want things to go. And the other side, which is right over here, the other side didn't really look too good. I ended up putting my shoes over here, and I just needed something to go on this side because this is like one pack's cabinet, and it looks okay, but the thing with the PAX closet system is you should really have multiple. So just by having this little lac shelf on the end, it just kind of gives it like like it caps it off or whatever. So just have my shoes displayed there very nicely, and I think it looks really, really good. Yeah.